Why is Stork Medical so popular with the military?
Well, thank you for asking. We're so popular, if I can say that, because we've been very generous with the military. We're so proud of our fighting men and women that we made, in conjunction with our laboratory partners, a $60 million pledge to help soldiers and their families afford cord blood storage. Because of this, Stork and our laboratory partners have been honored twice in the United States Congress by both Republicans and Democrats. In fact, these congressional tributes can be found on our website at www.stork.md. We are proud of our soldiers, we're grateful to our soldiers, and we want to do everything we can to say thank you. Most of us have not carried a rifle in the desert, so it's a small piece of what we can do to help our soldiers. I think only 1% of our population has actually been fighting wars, and the rest of us have been shopping. This is one way in which we can help. So we're glad to do it, glad to be recognized for it, and we again thank these soldiers and their families. And both the active and retired military personnel are eligible for generous discounts.
Get answers to all of your cord blood questions quickly and completely with Cord Blood Essentials. Free copies are available at www.stork.md. Then click on Free eBook.